How does a structured field actually meet a living body? This belongs mostly to the next series on the bodies, but the technology only makes sense if we touch on it here as well. Begin with Let's begin with what a living body actually is physically. The body is not a dry machine with a little electricity in it. It is an electrically active liquid. Water, salts, proteins, cell membranes, blood, fluid between the cells, the connective tissue that runs through it all. Every part of it is ionically conductive. All of it carries charge. Every cell holds a voltage across its membrane and governs its life by this voltage. Your heartbeat is a wave of electrical change. A thought is a coordinated electrical rhythm. A body is salt water, structured and alive with charge. Now, there's a field of physics that studies exactly what happens when an electromagnetic field meets a conductive ion-rich liquid across the boundary between them. It is a real and active discipline. It's the plasma liquid boundary discipline. And a living body is precisely such a liquid, and plasma is plasma. So the meeting of a structured field, which is plasma, and a body is not a mystery we have to invent. It is a boundary that physics already studies. Wherever a field meets salt water, wherever an antenna meets a moist medium, wherever tissue meets a field, that field couples into such a medium in a way that depends on frequency. This is all established physics. The way tissue takes up a field across a frequency has been measured and set down in detail. Now, let me be very careful, because here the honest line falls that a field couples into a living tissue is established. Whether a structured field can be made to engage one system or one state more than another in a useful and selective way is not established just yet. It's theoretical, it's intelligent, it's well thought out, but it's not established science just fully yet. That is the open question, and it is exactly what the precision of this instrument is built to test and to measure, and that's what we must do into the future. So what I can say precisely is this: the instrument establishes a real, specified, structured field. A living body is a medium that such a field genuinely couples into. What that coupling does, whether it engages the body's own regulatory systems or simply passes through them, is under honest investigation, and it is measured, and it's not meant to be assumed. But theoretically, it's sound. And this shapes the entire ethic of the technology. It does not impose a correction the way a drug does. It offers an ordered field and lets the body, whose whole work of being alive is the keeping of order, do that work in a more ordered environment. Coherence, yeah? Conditions, not commands. And because a body is a body, whether it is human or animal or plant, all of them ion-rich, living electrical systems across the same physics of coupling applies here as well. We can talk about humans, animals, and plants, any living matter. So, the art of noticing. Place a hand over your own heart and feel it beating. That beat is electrical. Before it is anything else, it's a pulse of charge that begins in the body and moves through it. You are not a dry object. You are a warm, salt, electrical liquid, humming with charge every second of your life. A field, a body, are not strangers. They meet. You've been meeting that all your life. That boundary, in a language the body already speaks. The body has been communicating with plasma all your life.